Time to learn to ask some questions. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have Haradasan. Ha-ra-da-san. Haradasan can mean where are you? Where are you at? Or where are you now? Now let's discover some phrases first and then sentences. Phrases first. Where are you? Where are you at? Or where are you now? Let's take a deeper look at these. Now, Haradasan. See, you will often hear not Haradasan, but you will hear Haradasan. The second A you see there, it will drop. Haradasan. Harda, where? San, sen, this is a suffix meaning you. Where are you? Haradasan bes. Where are you at? İndi means now. İndi haradasan. Sentences. Mən səni gözləyirəm. Hardasan? See, I'm going to be saying the natural spoken way. Let's see, what does this mean? I'm waiting for you. Where are you? Mən, I. Sən, you, səni, for you. Gözləyirəm, waiting. Gözləmək, to wait. Gözləyirəm, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you. Where are you? Mən səni gözləyirəm. Hardasan? Or if you want to sound more native, watch this. Mən səni gözləyirəm. Hardasan? Let's discover another sentence. İndi iclas başlayır. Hardasan? Did you know this? I didn't say başlayır, I said başlayır. That's the spoken way. Let's see, what does this mean? The meeting is starting now. Where are you? İclas is the meeting. İndi, now. Başlayır, başlamak. To start, başlayır is starting. Where are you? This is same. Haradasan, spoken. Haradasan, written. All right? That was the normal, natural sentences. Let's find some fun use to reinforce knowing and learning and remembering the word Haradasan. You said 2 minutes. My clock says 10. Haradasan. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, there's an app for you if you want to learn more. There's a masteroftree.com blog if you want to learn more fun way, tricky ways, or I would say more cultural aspects of learning Azerbaijani. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.